We note that the textbook in sections 3.1 and 3.2 uses a notation that's summarized in this table. Now you'll find that everything that you see in section 3.1 and 3.2 you've already seen. We've already been through all the ideas, or virtually all the ideas that are presented in those sections, and I believe that everybody has a good command of those ideas. But let's look at notation, because some people are sometimes distracted by notation. We have the point A, f of A, and the point A plus h, f of A plus h. And we want to know what the average rate of change is between those points, or the average slope between those points. These are concepts, again, that we're very familiar with by now. So we can easily see that the run from A to A plus h is h. The rise is f of A plus h minus f of A. So that the slope is f of A plus h minus f of A divided by h. The notation that we used in relation to the depth model was f of, tf of t and t plus dt f of, or t plus delta t f of t plus delta t. Instead of a and h, in other words, I used t and delta t for the simple reason that that's what made sense in terms of that model. The concepts that you see throughout are identical to the concepts that we've dealt with. The letters are often different because the context is somewhat different. The text is actually being more general. In the material that we used at first, we were talking about a specific model, a depth versus time model, y of t versus t, and we used a notation that made sense. This notation is more general. A doesn't have any connotation, H doesn't have any connotation, so it can apply to anything.